Making the Sailor Girl school outfit by Digital Arts Requiem. I've made a few of my own outfits in the past, and I'm probably going to wind up with a whole host of Sailor Girl uniforms. Ugh, so many instructions! I need to learn how to read. I like to print out the pattern twice, because once you've cut out all the pieces, it can get a little bit difficult to follow. The amount of times where I've been looking for something and just can't seem to understand where it should go or fit within a routine, and the instructions have been written quite plainly on the pattern. Yeah, this just helps me keep everything organised inside my own head. The shirt pattern doesn't actually seem that complicated at all. So I'm going to start with this and I'm going to make it black and white. I have a habit of sellotaping my pattern pieces down before cutting them out. This is easier with dark fabrics where it's difficult to actually see any markings around to draw out the pattern pieces. It also keeps my pattern pieces nice in the long run, like they've been laminated. I start by sewing detail onto my black parts, and now I'm going to try and sew the whole thing together. I sew up the detail the right way, then I flip it over, and sew underneath the sleeve and up the side. This part kind of confuses me. I've glued all the way around my edge to stop it from frying. This way I kind of gotta play with what I'm doing. I have to sew these 2 points together, then these 2 points together, then these 2 points together. I then fold these in half and iron them before turning them back the right way and ironing them flat. Little confusing. And then sew these two parts together and attempt to do the same thing while it's in a circle. Put tea towels over my work in order to protect it. The amount of times where I've accidentally stained things or accidentally spread glue. I've sewn it together and now I gather that the way to fasten it is via a stud here. I'm going to hold it together with a pair of pliers and I'm just going to use the steam function. After that I'm just going to hold it with my fingers. There are many times when it comes to me folding things that I just use my fingers. If you have thin enough fabric, it will fold and stay folded. Sometimes just putting it under something heavy overnight. So now I just need to figure out where the stud goes on the back. I hold this back part together with Blu Tack. I found in the past that if you use Velcro, you kind of need a larger surface, otherwise it has nothing really to grip onto. Blu Tack held well, the skirt's fine. There's just one more thing to do. I'm gonna add this little bow. Just put a little bow stick on it, and I'm gonna stick it right here. Cut out my knees for a pattern piece. I've got some stretchy fabric. I'm just gonna fold that in half. That way, I can cut this out on the fold. I'll hem the top of the fabric, and then sew both sides together. So this is the completed uniform by Requiem Arts Digital Pattern. In spite of my initial hesitance, this was actually really simple to make, and quite fun too. I especially like the skirt. It came together much easier than I ever thought it would do. Also, really helped me with that dreaded neckline. And the socks are really cute too.